Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about pasta makers. Everyone, and a lot of preppers and stuff, you have everything you need to make bread, but they don't have what they need to make pasta. Now, there are a bunch of different types of pasta makers out there. There are electric ones. There are ones that can clip onto your certain types of your mixers, like your KitchenAid. They'll clip onto your KitchenAid. And then there are the hand crank ones. All right. And then of course there's the trying to do it all by hand, old school way, which takes a lot of skill and a lot of time. But the hand crank ones, my mom got us one of these back in the 80s, and she was going to do it. She never did it because there was never a need for it for her. So I inherited it, and I was going to pull it out and show it to you, but it went back to California with my wife. Oh boy. Anyways, well, she's more likely to use it than I am. So, and they have these pasta makers have the different what they call dies, I guess it's called, to make, you know, wide noodles, narrow noodles, spaghetti, vermicelli, all the different type things. They even have the ones to cut out for the raviolis, the square raviolis, the triangle shaped raviolis, and stuff like that. So you can make a lot of different pastas with a good one of these machines that has all the proper dies with it. So, food for thought. No pun intended. I know CR is going to make a comment down below about the pun. But pasta makers, something you might want to consider if you want to, you know, spend less money at the store and make the stuff yourself. All right? Okay, so I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. I'm going to put a link to the Prepping for Beginner and Prepping in Private playlists over here, and that way you can get prepared. Why? Well, this is why.